Good evening, everyone. Welcome to AI 1 Minute for July 20th, 2023.
Here are the things that happened in the AI world today.
Today, a repository named LLaMA Recipes by Facebook Research is trending on GitHub. This provides a step-by-step guidance for fine-tuning the LLaMA-2 model for specific purposes. This is a huge step for developers and a bad thing for OpenAI because LLaMA-2 is completely free.
Another repository called Text Generation Web UI is currently trending on GitHub. This repo aims to develop a web interface for text generation using a variety of large language models. It can generate response in text, Markdown, and HTML formats.
Yesterday, ETH Zurich published a paper proposing a method of better training diffusion models. This method is called Fabric, which uses another set of user-defined feedback images and incorporates them into the self-attention process. This technique, combined with models such as Stable Diffusion, can give better pick score, which is a way of evaluating the performance of image generation models.
Finally, authors from Shanghai AI Lab proposed a dataset called DNA rendering, which contains multiple perspective images for different race people. This is a human-centric dataset that can play a key role in computer vision and graphics.
That's it for today. See our video intro to learn more. Good night.
Good night.